Hello everyone, I am Rohit Roy. I have just completed my internship at Leading India AI, Bennett University with my teammates Survi, Gautami, Nivedita and Spurti under the mentorship of Alarsh Tiwari. We have done a project on text summarization using natural language processing. Now Spurti will tell you about our project.
Hello everyone, this is Purti. Hope you're all doing good. So, the problem statement which we have given to work on in this 6-week internship program by Leading India is that we need to create a flow chart of events like in bullet points. So, from a text file, a large text files like in newspaper articles, books, storybooks, magazines, etc. So the text summarization is nothing but obtaining a valid information, or you can say distilled information from a heavy or large articles, or any text format you can take to a summarized manner, so that you can understand it better. So text summarization can be of different types: abstractive and extractive. So extractive summarization is nothing but the extractive summarization is formed by selecting important sentences from the articles. So we choose extractive summarization technique for our project. So my other teammates will take you through the technical aspects of our project. Thank you.
In our project, we import Spacy, which is an open free source of natural language processing in Python, which is used to tokenize the text into words, punctuation marks, post tagging, and lemmonization. NLP is used as a communication between the computer and the human language. We know that Spacy is an open source software, and it currently supports the tokenization of 50 plus languages. We can quickly and easily remove the stopwords in the text by using the Spacy. And we know that stopwords are the English words which does not add much meaning to the sentence. If we remove those words also, there is no problem for the sentence formation. And next we come across the term with term frequency, which is a measure of count term in a particular document. We divide those count term by the max term in a document and vectorize those words. And finally, after that, if the word is in stopword or the punctuation, we add the value 1, or other than that value, we keep on increasing that word. And finally, we keep the max word, we retrieve the max word in the document and by using the max function.
In the project, we inserted the data set. Then the first step was text cleaning, means the removal of stopwords and punctuation marks. This is done with the help of Spacy library. Then the second step was word tokenization, which we did by iterating to the document by using token. Third step is sentence tokenization, which we did with the help of Spacy library by iterating to the document and using sent. The fourth step is word frequency table, which is generated by dividing the number of times a word is repeated upon the total number of words in a document. The fifth step is generation of summary, which we did with the help of HeapQ module, which selects the top frequency sentences.
And today I'm going to explain about the advantages of our project. So here comes reading the entire article, dissecting it and separating the important ideas from the raw text takes time and effort. So what we do is, reading an article of 500 words can take at least 15 minutes. So automatic summary software summarizes text of 500 to 5000 words in a split second. This allows the user to read less data but still receive the most important information and make solid constructions. Today's computers are far more powerful than human mind. So, and it's mostly likely that the computer will create a good summary before anyone can does. And so human will have a chance to look at the ace of the work. So I'm very glad that leadingindia.ai gave us so good opportunity to develop this project. And I'm so happy that the project excelled in a great way. So thank you so much for everyone for giving us this opportunity, and stay home, stay safe.